10 things to do in Tromsø, Norway. Welcome to Tromsø, Norway's Arctic paradise. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 things to do in this enchanting city surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Let's dive in. Chase the Northern Lights. Embark on a celestial journey as you chase the elusive Northern Lights in Tromsø's Arctic skies. Join a guided tour that takes you away from the city lights to prime locations where the auroras dance with ethereal beauty. As the night unfolds, witness the enchanting play of colors, vibrant greens, purples, and pinks, painting the canvas of the Arctic heavens. The anticipation and excitement build as you stand in awe, capturing the elusive dance of the Northern Lights, an experience that will etch itself into your memory forever. Tromsø's pristine winter nights offer a front-row seat to this mesmerizing natural spectacle, creating an atmosphere of wonder and magic that will linger with you long after the lights have faded. Explore the Tromsø ice domes. Step into a crystalline wonderland at the Tromsø ice domes, where Arctic magic comes to life in the heart of Norway. Venture into a world sculpted entirely from ice and snow, with intricate, dazzling designs that captivate the imagination. Marvel at the skillfully crafted ice sculptures that adorn the domes, each a testament to the artistry of local ice artisans. As you explore the enchanting interiors, you'll find yourself surrounded by a serene, otherworldly atmosphere, where the ambient glow of ice casts a soft and ethereal light. Don't miss the chance to sip a drink in the ice bar, immersing yourself in the unique sensation of enjoying a beverage surrounded by the chill of the Arctic ambience. The Tromsø ice domes promise a one-of-a-kind experience, a blend of artistry and nature that transforms a visit into a journey through a frozen fantasy. Take a scenic cable car ride. Elevate your Tromsø adventure with a breathtaking journey aboard the Fjellheisen cable car, offering a panoramic ascent into the Arctic heavens. Begin your ascent from the base, and as the cable car glides smoothly skyward, be prepared for an awe-inspiring spectacle of Tromsø's majestic landscapes unfolding beneath you. Snow-capped mountains, winding fjords, and the glistening waters of the Arctic Ocean come into view, creating a visual masterpiece that stretches as far as the eye can see. The cable car ride is not just a means of transportation, but a thrilling experience in itself, providing an unparalleled perspective of the city and its surrounding natural wonders. Once you reach the summit, take your time to absorb the sweeping vistas, snap photos of this elevated paradise, and revel in the sheer beauty that Tromsø presents from above. A scenic cable car ride is an absolute must for those seeking an unforgettable bird's-eye view of this Arctic gem. Visit the Arctic Cathedral. Embark on a cultural and architectural journey by visiting Tromsø's iconic Arctic Cathedral, a symbol of both spiritual significance and breathtaking design. This modern masterpiece, with its distinctive triangular shape and luminous facade, stands proudly against the Arctic landscape. As you approach, the mesmerizing play of light on the cathedral's exterior creates a captivating sight, especially during the ethereal Arctic nights. Make sure to explore the surroundings, too, as the cathedral is situated in a picturesque location by the Tromsø Bridge, providing stunning views of the city and surrounding fjords. Dog sledding adventure. Embark on an exhilarating Arctic escapade with a dog sledding adventure, immersing yourself in the timeless tradition of traversing snowy landscapes with a team of energetic huskies. As you set foot into the pristine wilderness surrounding Tromsø, the crisp Arctic air and the eager barks of the huskies create an atmosphere of anticipation and excitement. Feel the thrill as the sled glides over the snow, pulled by the powerful and enthusiastic dogs. The rhythmic sounds of paws against the snow, the swish of the sled, and the stunning winter scenery combine to create a sensory symphony that encapsulates the magic of the Arctic. Expert guides lead the way, providing not only an adrenaline-pumping experience, but also insights into the history and traditions of dog sledding in the region. Whether you choose a day or evening excursion, The ethereal landscapes and the camaraderie with your furry companions make dog sledding an unforgettable adventure. Capture the moment as you dash through snow-laden forests and across frozen expanses, forging a connection with nature and the spirited huskies that make this Arctic journey truly exceptional. A dog sledding adventure in Tromsø promises an authentic and thrilling encounter with the Arctic wilderness. Visit the Polar Museum. Delve into the rich tapestry of Arctic history by visiting the Polar Museum in Tromsø, a captivating institution that chronicles the extraordinary tales of polar exploration. As you step into this cultural haven, you'll be transported back in time, surrounded by artifacts, exhibits, and immersive displays that offer a glimpse into the daring adventures of those who ventured into the frozen frontiers. Immerse yourself in the stories of explorers who made Tromsø a hub for polar expeditions and gain a deeper understanding of the cultural and scientific significance of these endeavors. Sail through the fjords. Embark on a maritime odyssey and discover the breathtaking beauty of Tromsø by sailing through its majestic fjords. Aboard a scenic cruise, let the crisp Arctic air invigorate your senses as you navigate through the intricate network of fjords, surrounded by towering snow-covered peaks and serene coastal landscapes. As the boat glides over the tranquil waters, marvel at the dramatic scenery that unfolds around you: steep cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and pristine wilderness stretching to the horizon. The reflections of the mountains and the ever-changing play of light on the water create a visual spectacle that is nothing short of enchanting. Keep an eye out for local wildlife such as seals, seabirds, and perhaps even whales that occasionally grace these Arctic waters. Whether you choose a daytime cruise to soak in the panoramic views or an evening excursion to witness the magic of the midnight sun or the northern lights, sailing through Tromsø's fjords offers an immersive and unparalleled experience, allowing you to connect with the natural wonders that define this Arctic paradise. Treat your taste buds to an authentic Arctic culinary experience in Tromsø, where local cuisine reflects the region's rich cultural and natural diversity. Begin your gastronomic adventure by sampling the freshest seafood straight from the Arctic waters. Venture into local eateries and restaurants to savor the unique textures and tastes of lutefisk, rakfisk, or other traditional dishes that showcase the artistry of preserving and preparing food in this northern climate. Don't forget to explore Tromsø's vibrant culinary scene by visiting local markets, where you can interact with vendors and sample a variety of artisanal products. Hike to Tromsdalstinden. Embark on a thrilling Arctic adventure by conquering the heights of Tromsdalstinden, Tromsø's highest peak, for a hiking experience that promises unparalleled panoramic views. Lace up your boots and begin your ascent through the pristine wilderness, where each step unveils the breathtaking beauty of the Arctic landscape. The trail, surrounded by snow-capped peaks and untouched nature, offers a mix of challenge and reward. As you ascend, catch your breath and take in the crisp mountain air while enjoying the ever-expanding vistas of fjords, islands, and the city of Tromsø below. Reach the summit and be rewarded with a 360-degree spectacle that showcases the rugged beauty of the surrounding mountains, the vastness of the Arctic Ocean, and the intricate fjord systems. The sense of accomplishment at the peak is matched only by the awe-inspiring views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Experience Sami culture. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Sami culture in Tromsø, where centuries-old traditions and the vibrant heritage of the indigenous people of the Arctic come to life. Begin your journey by witnessing the mesmerizing spectacle of traditional Sami reindeer herding. Visit a reindeer camp where skilled herders demonstrate the art of managing these majestic animals, providing insights into the symbiotic relationship between the Sami people and their reindeer. Participate in authentic cultural experiences, such as trying your hand at lasso throwing or learning about the art of crafting traditional Sami handicrafts, including intricately designed clothing and accessories. Engage with local artisans who take pride in preserving and sharing their cultural heritage through their craftsmanship. Don't miss the opportunity to savor Sami cuisine, which often includes hearty dishes prepared with local ingredients like reindeer meat, fish, and berries. Tromsø offers a blend of natural wonders, cultural treasures, and thrilling adventures. Make sure to add these 10 activities to your Tromsø bucket list for an unforgettable Arctic experience.